Hello and welcome. You're watching Next IS English Species in News. In this episode, we bring you fascinating stories from the wild, from India's rivers to the oceans and even the forests of Australia. Let's begin with the mighty orcas, also known as killer whales. Researchers recently discovered that orcas sometimes share freshly killed prey with humans, a rare behavior. Orcas are the largest members of the dolphin family, easily recognized by their striking black and white bodies and white eye patches. They live in groups called pods, hunt cooperatively like wolves, and use echolocation to find prey. Found in oceans across the world, these apex predators have no natural enemies, making them one of the most fascinating marine mammals. Now, moving closer home to South Asia, the beloved Hilsa fish is in the news. Ahead of Durga Puja, Bangladesh has allowed to export of 1200 tons of Hilsa to India as a gesture of friendship. Known as the queen of fish, Hilsa has a rich, oily flavor and is an integral part of Bengali culture. It is national fish of Bangladesh and also provides health benefits with its high omega-3 content. Classified as least concern, Hilsa continues to be celebrated on both sides of the border. Next, to the mountains of Arunachal Pradesh, where a rare discovery was made. For the first time, Pala's cat, one of the world's most elusive wild cats, has been photographed in the state. With its thick greyish coat and secretive nature, this ambush predator usually hunts rodents by waiting patiently near burrows. Its documentation here extends the species' known range in the eastern Himalaya, adding to earlier records from Sikkim, Bhutan, and Nepal. Globally, Pala's cat is listed as least concern by the IUCN, but remains poorly studied. Finally, to Australia, where a scientific breakthrough brings hope for an iconic species. The country has approved the world's first vaccine to protect koalas from chlamydia, a deadly infection that causes blindness, infertility, and high mortality. Koalas, often called koala bears, though they are marsupials, survive almost entirely on eucalyptus leaves and spend much of their time resting. Already threatened by habitat loss and bushfires, chlamydia has been a major conservation challenge. With this vaccine showing a 65% reduction in deaths, it could be a game changer in saving koalas, which are listed as vulnerable by the IUCN and endangered in parts of Australia. And that's all for today's episode of Species in News on Next IS English. From killer whales in the ocean to koalas in Australia's forest and rare cats in the Himalayas. These stories remind us of the fragile yet fascinating bond between humans and wildlife. So, stay curious and connected with nature. I will see you in another episode. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.